Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn the next topic is the precaution to be taken in a chemistry laboratory. In last period, I was sent the photos of uses of apparatus. I hope everybody should write in your notebooks. So, when we work in a laboratory, some precaution we have to take. So what? See, first, do not work alone in the laboratory. When you want to work in laboratory, means when you want to doing experiments in lab, then you should work in a group. Okay? So you should not work alone in the laboratory. Second, always wear a lab coat in the laboratory. It protects your clothes. When you doing the experiments in the lab, you should wear the lab coat. One lab coat is provided to you while working in the laboratory, so you should wear during the experiments in the laboratory. So that's why it protects your clothes. Means what? Sometimes some accidents happen in the laboratory, so that's why you should wear a lab coat. Third, the apparatus to be used in experiment should be arranged neatly before beginning an experiment. Apparatus is used while the experiments. So when you doing the experiments, first choose the apparatus which you want. जो आपको चाहिए एक्सपेरिमेंट के लिए apparatus को चूज करो, उसको प्रॉपरली अरेंज करो. You should properly arrange before beginning the experiments. ओके सो इसकी वजह से क्या होगा, आपको जो ज़रूरत है वो आपके सामने होगी. ओके जो ज़रूरत चीज़ है वो आपके सामने होगी. सो यू शुड अरेंज द apparatus neatly before experiments. Fourth, carefully follow your teacher's instructions whenever you perform an experiments. When you perform experiments, teachers give the some instructions to you. Okay, so you should follow it carefully, and because the experiment should perform stepwise. Okay, so that's important to follow your instructions, teacher's instructions. Fifth, only small quantity of chemicals should be used to carry out experiments. Only small quantity of chemical should be used to carry out experiments. See, when you doing the experiments, you need some chemicals, but that chemicals is used in very small quantity. ऐसा नहीं कि एक्सपेरिमेंट्स करना है, हमारा रिजल्ट अच्छा नहीं चाहिए तो हमें ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी यूज करनी केमिकल्स की. सो ये गलत है, तो उसके सिवाय हम स्मॉल क्वांटिटी यूज़ करके भी एक्सपेरिमेंट्स कर सकते हैं. ओके. Sixth point, hot objects should be handled with attention and care. Some hot objects means when you want to heat the apparatus, okay, during experiments, so you should handle carefully. 7, do not touch, taste or directly inhale any unknown substance. While experiments, do not touch any things or any substance. Do not taste it because it is harmful or poisonous. Okay, and you do not inhale the directly gas, unknown gas, because it is harmful to our body. 8 points. After the experiment is completed, the apparatus should be properly washed, cleaned, dried and put back in their respective place. Means जैसे कि हम घर में अपना किचन का काम करके सब apparatus धो के सब बर्तन धो के हम उसको प्रॉपरली रखते हैं, वैसे हमें लैब में जो एक्सपेरिमेंट्स करते हैं हम, सो आफ्टर एक्सपेरिमेंट्स that apparatus should be properly washed and arranged properly in the lab. Okay. Next point 9. Do not throw hot concentrated acid into the sink directly. Make sure that water is running into the sink so that when you throw away anything into it, it is safely washed. See, acid, concentrated acid is a very harmful. Okay, ये जो एसिड्स रहता है कॉन्सनट्रेट एसिड्स, ये बहुत हार्मफुल रहता है, उसकी वजह से हमें हमारी स्किन को इरिटेशन भी प्रॉपर हो सकता है। सो उसकी वजह से क्या करना है, ये जो अगर हम हैंडल करते तो भी हमें केयरफुली हैंडल करना है। अगर आप उसको सिंक में फेंक रहे, ओके, इफ़ यू वांट टू थ्रो इन द सिंक, सो यू शुड रन द वाटर इन द सिंक, मीन्स उसको वाटर क्यों रन करना है, क्योंकि उसकी वजह से डायल्यूट होगा, ओके। सो वाटर इट मिक्स इन द एसिड्स, सो इट बिकम डायल्यूट एंड दैट ऑल इट इज़ सेफ फॉर वॉशर, ओके। सो ये बात आपको ध्यान में रखें। 10 point, in case of accidental burn or skin contact with corrosive chemicals, immediately wash the affected area with a running cold water. अगर आपके स्किन पे अगर कुछ केमिकल्स गिरता है, आपको बर्निंग होती है उसकी वजह से, तो आपको उसको रनिंग वाटर में वॉश करना है, ओके, एंड immediately report to your teachers, okay. 11 point, when you have finished doing an experiment, wash your hand with a soap and dry them with a clean towel. When you finish your experiments, then what, you should wash your hand with a soap because you handle the chemicals, okay. So that's why it may be harmful to our body because we eating, okay, with the hands, and that chemicals can enter in our body. So you should wash your hand with a soap and clean it properly. 12 point, maintain silence and discipline in the laboratory and concentrate on your experiments. 13, when using the test tube for heating, avoid pointing its mouth toward your fellow classmates. When using a test tube for heating, avoid pointing its mouth towards your fellow classmate. हम जब टेस्ट ट्यूब हीटिंग करते हैं तो क्या करते हैं, उसको हमारे माउथ की पॉइंट से दूर रखना है, ओके। क्या उसकी जो पोजीशंस रहती है ना टेस्ट ट्यूब की, वो हमारे अपोजिट चाहिए, ओके, बिकॉज समटाइम ड्यू टू हीटिंग इट विल एक्सपांड, ओके, एंड कम आउट ऑफ द टेस्ट ट्यूब. So that's why their pointing it should be opposite. 14, when using a pipette, be careful in sucking of the chemicals. See, pipette is used for taking the chemicals. So for taking the chemicals, we have to suck that chemicals with the mouth, okay, with the using the pipette. जब हम सक करते हैं ना पिपेट से, तो उसको हमें केयरफुली सक करना है, बिकॉज क्या होता है समटाइम जो सॉल्यूशंस रहता है बना हुआ वो हमारे मुंह में चला जाता है, ओके. सो व्हेन यूजिंग पिपेट, बी केयरफुल इन sucking the chemicals, okay. So this is some precautions that have taken in a chemical laboratory, okay. So I hope everybody understood that precautions, and when you perform the experiments in lab, you should follow that instructions, okay. So here our this lesson is finished, okay. Thank you.